Perfect. Over to you now.
Hi, this is Osama Hamid, Cloud Infrastructure and Software Lead for Saudi Arabia at Cisco. It's my pleasure to join us in our Comstore and Cisco Partner Summit event. In this session, I'll be covering the programs and promotions that Cisco is offering in order to scale your data center business. I will start first with the cloud and compute architecture under the data center. As you can see, we are having massive amounts of promotions and programs that we are offering for you as partners in order to increase your profitability. So if we're gonna start as an overview, starting from the top, for example, we are offering Hyperflex new logo customer, where for each and every new customer, if he buys a cluster of Hyperflex, Edge or NVMe, he's going to be eligible to get an extra one for free. We have Intersite Workload Optimizer, which is 45 free trial for our customers. And here they can be an existing customer for Cisco or they can be even new customers as well. If we go to the sellers promotion, and I'm going to get into the details of some of these important promotions in the next slides. Intersite Starter Pack. This is a complete pre-packaged set of Intersite in order to enhance and simplify the ordering process based on the use cases. We are also bringing Bridge the Gap with IWO, another promotion for IWO where we are helping the customers to optimize their existing infrastructure, although they are buying new hardware from Cisco until the hardware received and will deliver to the customer. Intersite Premier promo, this is an extra additional discount that we are putting on Intersite Premier in order to push and encourage our customers in order to adapt the Intersite Premier Edition. And when it comes to UCSX, we are having three of these promotions on offer that varies across, and I'm going to explain it in details in the coming slide. And last but not least, which is the latest joint promotion between Cisco, UCSX, and Cohesity, where we are offering a free hardware for a specific configuration cluster. So, moving into some of the details of these promotions, looking at Hyperflex new customer. Here we are targeting new HX customers only. So the customer who are eligible here are either new or customers who has not purchased any Hyperflex deployment since the last 2 years from Cisco, and it is stackable with VIP, OIP, and TIP program. It's available in all regions and it's valid through April 30th, 2022. The promotion itself is actually buy three or more HX M6 all NVMe or Edge, and you will get one free node free of charge for your customer. One of the major requirement here is to have Cisco Intersite, Essential, Advantage, or Premier in order to be eligible for this program. Moving to the Cisco Intersite starter packs, this is how we are helping you, dear partners, in order to be able to bundle these Intersite software suites into some certain use cases. For example, if you have a customer who's looking just for infrastructure management, this is a bundle that is going to include Intersite license of Advantage. If you are a customer who is interested in infrastructure management and automation, you're going to have a bundle that includes Intersite Premier in addition to Terraform infrastructure as code. If you have a customer who's looking for automation and containers, you're going to have a bundle that includes Intersite Advantage, Terraform infrastructure as code, and even Intersite Kubernetes services. So look at these bundles. The value out of it is actually we are trying to combine multiple suite of software based on use case. And the second major component here is that it comes with free mentored installed services from one of our services partner who are experts in Intersite suite of software. So your customer will get the bundle of license, and the additional promotional part is that it's going to be with an mentored install service from our services partner. Bridge the Gap offer. This is one of the amazing promotions that we are offering under the cloud and compute. So the challenge is everybody knows the industry-wide component shortage, which is delaying all the hardware shipments these days. And what we are offering here, if we have a customer who's buying Cisco infrastructure, so UCS, HyperFlex, in addition to Intersight and IWA, and definitely we are expecting a shipment delay. We are offering him 2x the number of Cisco Intersight workload optimizer license that he purchased for a period of 180 days. Why we are offering this? Because we know if customers are asking for extra hardware, then they are having some gaps and they are having some issues with the existing infrastructure. When we add more IWA licenses, we are helping the customer to optimize to the max the existing infrastructure until he receive the hardware that he is looking for. Going to X Series customer offer summary. And here, as I mentioned before, we are having multiple X Series promotions. So if we look at the first 200 customers, we were offering 6 node, get 1 chassis for free, 10 nodes and get 2 chassis for free, in addition to free pair of FIs, in addition to a free quick stand-up install Intersight. Now, the new promotions that we are adding regarding UCS X series is two. The number one is called UCS X Compete, and here we are also offering free chassis and free pair of FIs fully populated with licenses with the quick stand-up install, and this is mainly for the first 100 customer. So this is a very limited promotion for a certain amount of customer. Whenever we exceed the 100, it won't be available anymore. Now, the most important promotion that I want you all to be aware of is called Demand a Grant. You will get a 1K net rebate on every compute node of UCSX that you sell. Now, here, Intersight is mandatory, it's either essential or above, and a new hardware is also mandatory. So you cannot claim it for some previous orders. It has to be a new hardware that is being ordered. And here you are getting $1,000 for each single compute node that you are sell under UCSX, which is the X210. This promotion is available until the end of Q3 for fiscal 22, and it has no limit. So no matter how much UCSX purchases and nodes you're gonna have on your order, you're gonna have exactly that number multiplied by 1K. Last but not least, if we go to protect more for less promotion, and this is our joint promotion with Cohesity, now we are creating pre-configured bundles for Cohesity on top of UCSX. This is the first configuration that we are coming with. And here we are offering UCSX 4 nodes populated with all NVMe 90 TP configuration, in addition to a 192 TP of Cohesity software and professional services for quick start. If your customer is buying this, he will be eligible to get additional free UCSX node with 90 TB of all NVMe storage, in addition to the 48 terabyte of Cohesity software as part of this promotion. Now, moving to the cloud networking part of these promotions, if we look at the some of these promotions that we are offering in the cloud networking, we have the Nexus Optics attached pricing promotion. This is allowing you to get a very aggressive discounts on the optics that you're going to populate on the Nexus 9K orders. So this promotion is running until the end of this fiscal year, July 30, 2022. It's eligible on all kind of optics, so 1G, 10G, 25G, 40G, and 100G. And this is where you're gonna make more margin if you fully populate the optics on your Nexus 9K switches. Coming to Cisco Shogun reward, and this is one of the greatest initiatives and promotions that we are having for our partners. Here we are having multiple tracks. It's a kind of rewarding program. So you will create your account, you will document and you will provide activities proof. So for example, if you do MDS modernization and you deploy SAN discovery software for one of the customers and you have submit and you can submit this as a proof of deployment, you will get a kind of $250 for that activity. If you get SAN analytics for that customer, you will get $750 for that activity. If you gonna deploy Nexus dashboard as a customer demo, it's gonna be a $500. And if you do a full deployment for Nexus dashboard, you can get rewards of $1,500 as a system engineer, technical solution architect, or even a service engineer. Definitely, you are fully aware of the VIP program, which is the major rebate program across all the architectures. We are increasing up to 16% the rebates whenever you sell the cloud networking premier license or day 2 ops licenses. Now, also, we are having some enhanced cloud networking promotion, which is called lifecycle incentive, that can reach up to 25K per deal. It's about maintaining and driving the customer through the life cycle and assuring the adoption of the cloud networking technologies such as Nexus Dashboard, Day 2 Ops, and Nexus Insights, and all the applications around it. Now, Nexus Dashboard Visibility Pack is now available. What we have done here is actually we have introduced a kind of very aggressively discounted at the GPL level. It's almost a 50K of Nexus Dashboard licenses that is gonna run for 6 months and is gonna be applicable up to 50 leaf. So if your customer is having ACI and he can run Nexus Dashboard for 6 months, covering 50 leaf switches. It's going to be a fully virtual deployment of the Nexus dashboard, and this is going to be a limited promotion that is going to run for 6 months. The purpose of this promotion is actually to show your customer the value of Nexus dashboard and accordingly follow it by a true selling motion by selling the full-fledged Nexus dashboard offering. Further details on how you can be more profitable with Cisco Cloud Networking. So when it comes to deal registration, OIP, TIP, account breakaway, and even VIP up to 16%, we are adding for the bundles and free services. So for example, if you sell a cloud networking EA under the data center EA with that worth of 250K USD, you're gonna be eligible to get a free Nexus dashboard platform. So you're gonna have the hardware platform for Nexus dashboard free of charge. If you go with Solution Starter and you onboard and implement an ACI deployment with enterprise agreement as well, you are entitled to get 700 and 7,500 K dollars. And also, if you maintain and drive this along the whole life cycle incentive, this is something that will allow you to get almost 200 to 25K dollar per customer. Thank you very much. I hope the session was informative for you.
Perfect.
Great. Great. Thank you so much. So I think only the ping of the phone or something happened, but let it be as it is. Sometimes in life you cannot control it. So, right, Alex, we can keep it, right?
Yes, agreed. Agreed.
Yeah.
It just adds to the
So,
natural element
yeah,
of the
yeah,
whole
yeah,
thing.
yeah. Yeah, yeah. Nothing will be perfect. So thank you so much, Osama, and nice meeting you as well. Looking forward to a very good and a successful event. Thank you, Alex, for all your support. And I don't know if anyone of you have anything to add before we drop off.
Thank you, Ragdan, Alex. Pleasure to meeting
Um,
you.
Same here, same here. So I just want to confirm we did go 3 minutes and 20 seconds overtime. Is that fine?
Oh, can you check with the Schnabel on this, Alex?
Because I know we've got a 10-minute slot here. 3 minutes, 20
Uh,
seconds. I think that's fine.
how? Yeah, yeah, I think it's fine, but because Ala also he exceeded 5 minutes as well. I think so. Let's see if we, if it's good or should we re-record? But I don't think so. I will keep Osama informed, but check with the production team and with the Schnabel and let me know. I will
Will do.
action accordingly.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Osama. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.